Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to initiate object detection on an associated camera. What you'll do is you'll select the associated camera, right-click on the camera, go to Camera Settings. From there, you'll navigate over to Plugins, down to Object Detection. You'll see Enable Object Detection. You'll associate the type of object you'd like to be detected within that frame, whether it be backpack, bus, car, cat, dog, person, or truck. You can select a region of interest if need be by drawing a box in an associated frame. From there, select OK, select Apply, OK, and you're now ready to go. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. Have a great day. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.